I love it. It makes me look more mature, don't you think?
It definitely does.
Oh, and I also got these. And
I can see that you definitely enjoyed your vacation.
I did. And thank you for the first class ticket and spending money.
You're welcome.
Here's a card. Or should I keep it?
I'll hold on to it for now, Cara. Thank you.
Uncle Marcus, I haven't heard from Tiffany in a week. Is she okay?
I guess.
And Michelle? I mean, Auntie Michelle?
I guess she's okay. I guess she's more than okay.
You seem kind of distant. What's wrong? Your frequency is low.
Michelle. Cara,
Michelle,
you're talking like a therapist now.
after all, I've been seeing the therapist for a year now. It's natural. You want to talk about it?
No, Cara. There's only one person I can talk to when I'm going through these kind of moments.
Who? Is it Michelle?
It doesn't matter right now.
Okay, I understand. Maybe this will help.
You have therapeutic hands. Feels good.
Thank you.
Yes, Chris. I got the message. No, she didn't say anything to me. I've just been busy with some personal issues. I sent her a message to meet me here immediately. Don't worry about it. I'll deal with it. Carol, give me a minute, please. Thanks.
Hi, Marcus. What was so urgent that you had to cut into my gym time to be here? As the new health minister, I'm going to need all the fitness I can get. Oh, I see you had a guest. Oh, or do you have a guest?